All right, welcome into the shop again. Cool project. This is a custom 31-foot boat, handmade, really beautiful boat with a nice hard top on there. And the track to track, we're going to put track at the windshield and from the windshield also to the hard top, which is actually already on the boat. I didn't have to do that, so we're going to just fill it in and make this enclosure. But this guy's had Strata-Glass on there several different times, and he's decided to go with the hard acrylic. And keep in mind now that there's different ways to do this hard acrylic, and this happens to be one of the easier ways to do the fabric components, okay? Because we're not going to actually fold the component over and stitch it on and make a sock and then boot it on and bond it. We're going to take raw edges of material and bond those right to the clear. Cool application, I like it. I don't do it like that a whole lot, but this happens to be just one of those jobs that we did it on. There's several reasons why I went through the customer, but the customer picked it out actually. So you're going to have that type of bonding onto the clear, and then the bottom edge is going to be bound on there with the reinforcing in there for the snapline and stuff. But the track-to-track patterning, we're going to go through that whole pattern process on the boat, and then when we get back here into the shop, I'm going to take you through, and we're going to draw out all of the patterns and get it ready for cutting the clear and making the components, which is super cool, and it's something you really have to know in order to make this project right. And if you notice on the front of this thing, it's got some real weird angles. And that's because the hardtop itself has got that V going on with the tubing, and we wanted to be able to lift that center panel up, to get airflow through there. And so there's some weird little zippers that go up at the top, that have some little flaps that go over there in order to make that thing go up. So complete custom job. Look forward to you guys getting into this thing because it's really, really, really cool. I'm going to say that you could basically take this course and always do your acrylic enclosures this way, but there are other ways to do it, which I recommend that you get into some of the other courses as well. And I'm going to tell people on every course that you need to know how to do both types of bonding, really, with the folded edges and with the flat seam. So good luck. Congratulations for getting into this course, and I look forward to hearing from you and seeing your pictures of the stuff that you're doing. Okay, so you got to remember too that with this course we're going to use the scribe tool, all right? So make sure that you have that scribe tool before you actually get going on this project. You of course can watch the videos and learn how to do the stuff, but in order to make it you need to have that scribe tool. So if you have not done so, go back. It's the $25 course and get the scribe tool, and then we can move forward on this job, okay?